Clap hands. Yay! Clap hands. Good boy. Good job. Good job, Nico. Can you do it again? Yay! Clap hands. Good job. Yay! Yay! I love you, buddy. That's some good work right there. That's some good clapping. Yay! Clap hands. Yay! Good job. Good job. Who did a good job? Yay! Clap hands. Good job. And nice raspberries too. Nice raspberries. Do it again. You want the camera? Yeah, you'd like to have the camera? You'd like to have the camera? Clap hands. Yay! Good job. Yay! Good work. Oh, I love you, baby. More raspberries? There better be sound on this video. That's all I have to say. Yeah, I love you, buddy. I love you, Nico. I love you, baby Nico. You're my baby man. Yeah? Who did a good job? Who ate all his pears? Hmm? Did you do a good job and you ate all your pears? Are you going to do clap hands? You're just going to eat your bib now? That's such a cute little elephant shirt. Yeah? Look how cute he is. And we're sitting here together. He's got his little socks and he's sitting there. And I'm holding him up with my feet. And this is where we eat sometimes, right on the bed. Here we are, sitting on the bed. Hanging out. Right, buddy? And you did clap hands and you did such a good job. Good boy. Nice work, Nico. Good job.